In this video, you'll learn how to reactivate your Binance account. By following these steps, you will be able to regain access to your account efficiently and securely. Start by navigating to the official Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Enter your registered email address or phone number along with your password. After entering your credentials, tap the login button. If your account has been disabled or suspended, a message will appear on the screen explaining the restriction. Look for the options labeled Reactivate Account or Unlock Account. Select one of these options to initiate the reactivation process. Ensure you remain on the recovery page to proceed with the next steps. Once you have selected the reactivation option, you will need to complete the identity verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, as Binance may require you to various methods. This could include receiving an email verification link, entering an SMS code sent to your registered phone number, or using a Google Authenticator code. In some cases, you may also be required to complete a full identity verification process, which may involve facial recognition or uploading specific documents. It is crucial to provide accurate information and ensure that all verification steps are completed without any errors before moving forward. After successfully completing all the required verification steps, you will need to submit your reactivation request. Once you have submitted the request, Binance will review it. Keep in mind that you may receive a confirmation email once your request is approved. It is important to avoid attempting multiple reactivations in a short period, as this could cause delays in the processing of your request. Be patient and wait for the confirmation email before attempting to log in again. Once you receive confirmation that your account has been reactivated, return to the Binance login page, enter your email or phone number along with your password, then tap login. If you encounter any issues during this process, ensure that you follow the instructions provided in any emails from Binance, as they may contain important information or additional steps required for your specific situation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.